Alright guys, project of the day. We got an old Frigidaire washer here. I'm going to get that piece of aluminum off the back there. Get all that wire that's running up. Get the electric motor out. Let that pop right off. Pretty much pops apart. Pops apart. I'll get me a hammer ski and we'll get started, boys. Alright, we got the hammer ski. Neighbors are gonna get pissed. See how it comes apart? Alright guys, gonna rip this washer apart. Pretty much hit it with a hammer. In there. Try not to mess myself up. See how that worked? Pops right apart, boys. Alright guys, we got the front pop down, the top pop down. Let's see what we got here. Looks like some shit. Nothing in there. Instruction pad. Mice got it, boys. There's some old mice in there, probably. But yeah, I'm gonna keep ripping apart. Take some more bolt skis out and shit if I have to. Get that electric motor. The copper out when he's done, boys. So, boys. See that screw? Nine more. Top's off. I'm gonna bust this piece of aluminum off there. Get all that copper out of there. There's brass in there, but I usually don't mess with that. But yep, let's bust it the rest of the way off, boys. Doing it big times today. Alright guys, we ran into these pop rivets on the back of this washer here, see? Just get in there. I beat it with my hammer up top till it pops out. Boom, fold it right down. Boom, fold it right down. Now I got them wires exposed there. I need to top that off and get to my electric motors. Usually they got a big piece of cast aluminum right there, and it's oil filled because that's the transmission, so we're going to take that apart too. It looks like there's some steel in there and everything. Alright guys, I'm going to start taking some more pieces off here. See if we can pop this one. Shit. Things are on there, guys. Yep, I'm gonna keep taking them out and eventually it'll pop right off. Alright folks, we got the sides and shit dropped. Now we're gonna rip this electric motor out and get that piece of cast of aluminum off there and the piece of steel, all the steel and shit, the cast off there. There's a pipe running through there, so we're going to get all this apart and see what we get here. I know that's full of oil because that's a transmission, so you don't want to just go popping that apart, boys. But we're going to take these 4 bolts out and see what we get here. Alright guys, got the 4 bolts pulled off there. Then you need to undo your hoses and shit running up into your pump here. And then got to get the rest of that wire off, and then I'll be able to pull this electric motor right off. Alright guys, the old Frigidaire Horizon scrap, boys. 2,000. Yeah, 2,000 pieces. We got the plastic there. Usually that's made out of metal. Then we got all the tin here. I probably got about 50 pounds of tin. I folded it all up looking nice. I got the transmission there with the big steel shaft coming out. Got some cast aluminum skis on there I'm going to get off. Got some aluminum there and some copper wire. And I got my electric motor right there. That's what I was after, electric motor. But yeah, that's pretty much scrap and a washer. Bunch of shit.